Welcome. I'd like to thank all you guys for coming, and the topic of my speech today is why I am cool. Now, when I first sat down to put some material together as to why I was cool, two things kept coming up over and over. And the first thing was I'm a member of a great family, a pretty cool family. It's my older sister Gwen, that's me there with the hat on, my mom Beth, my older brother Jay, my younger brother Zane, and then my father Randy. It's pretty kind of a crazy family. It's a lot of fun to be a part of. We all have our distinct and strong personalities, which sometimes can be wearing, but it's a pretty fun time. We have a lot of fun together, and being a part of this family makes me a pretty cool guy. The next thing that kept coming back over and over was my hometown. It's a pretty cool town. I'm proud to be a member of the community. I take a lot of pride in this town. It's a small rural town, Wayland, Iowa. And then an example of how awesome and cool this town is. About a month ago, we had a tornado came through, and it hit the outskirts of town and hit some local farms. And then down here is a picture of a group of people picking up what's left of a person's house and kind of collecting salvageable belongings. And then this photo over here, I was actually a part of. There was a local turkey farm that lost its building, and we spent 5 or 6 hours picking up the live turkeys and loading them on trucks. And there's probably close to 100 people, and everyone kept a positive attitude and worked hard, and it was cool to be a part of, and I'm glad I was a part of it. And it's a pretty cool town, and makes me pretty cool to live here. Now, more personal to myself, a characteristic that I think is cool about me is I think I have a very carefree and outgoing attitude towards a lot of things. I like to travel. I like to try new things. I like to just go places and have fun. And I just threw up a bunch of pictures as examples of this. And this was a picture in Colorado a few years back. It was a senior class trip I took with some of my buddies, and my family's involved there too. We were snowmobiling. There's an ice fishing photo here with my older brother Jay. We like to do a lot of ice fishing. Some hunting photos here, deer hunting and turkey. That picture there in the middle was a recent picture. We just got back from Cancun. It was a real fun time. And then the picture there in the middle, that was a beach in Spain. And then that was the picture with the foam on me. That's at a club in Italy. And a few years back, also Jay and I went fishing in Florida, and then zip lining in the Wisconsin Dells. And like I said, I just put a bunch of stuff up here that just kind of shows the kind of person I am and what I like to do. So I think with these three things in mind, it makes me a pretty cool person, and I'd like to thank all of you guys for coming.